Hey, this is Greg Tepper from the Tepper Group with another edition of Realty is Stranger Than Fiction. A lot of times nowadays, people realize that they never take a bath. They never use the bathtub. And what they do is they make a tricked out, awesome shower. And that's why you hear an echo on my voice right now. It's because I'm in one of those tricked out, awesome showers. So what you see is a lot of cool tones all around me. It's very soothing in here. All right. There's one body spray behind me. There's another body spray there. All right. Above, as I tilt the camera, you've got one head coming right from the ceiling and another one coming out of the traditional shower position. And last but not least, you've got a handheld right here. Comes off. This is an awesome shower. All right. Below, the floor is made of river rock. It's a beautiful floor. It's really soothing. And I'm also sitting. So there is a bench. Let's turn that around. So there's the bench. So I can sit in here all afternoon when I have a tankless hot water heater and just let the hot water run all over. The best part I like is the natural light. So I don't feel like I'm in a cave. It has the cool tones around it, and there's a lot of natural light to go with it. The glass bricks are awesome. It lets a lot of light in, yet nobody can see in, and you can let it all hang out. So this is Greg Tepper from Realty is Stranger Than Fiction in a tricked out shower. This shower, by the way, is located at 830 LeBar Street in Mandeville. So if you want to come by and check out this and the rest of the house, it is for sale. Till next time, so long.